Many Atlanta businesses face challenges keeping their IT running smoothly while staying competitive. The metro area generates about $570 billion in GDP, but even top companies need reliable technology to operate efficiently. If you run a business in Atlanta, you would be amazed to see how much an MSP can accelerate your overall growth, says Tony Russian, Marketing Vice President, Network One Consulting. From healthcare to finance, legal services, manufacturing, real estate, and business technology, every industry relies on strong IT infrastructure. Managed IT service providers help protect patient records, secure financial data, maintain uptime for legal software, and keep production and project management systems running without interruptions. They handle backups, updates, and system monitoring, ensuring operations continue smoothly and teams stay productive. Local MSPs bring even more value. They can respond quickly on site, understand Atlanta's unique infrastructure, and support businesses during regional disruptions like storms or power outages. They also help companies stay compliant with Georgia-specific regulations and coordinate effectively across shared time zones. By leveraging the right managed IT services, Atlanta industries increase efficiency, enhance reliability, and drive innovation through cross-industry insights. You can read the full article on our website to explore how MSPs support these top Atlanta industries. Don't forget to add this episode to your playlist to keep these insights handy.